I thought I would visit Total Triumph just outside of Taunton to come and have a look at the new Scrambler 400 and the Speed 400 to see what they were all about. I came down on the CRF 250 and nearly froze to death. But Total Triumph have put on a day with some nibbles and a hot drink too if you fancied it. Total Triumph offers a full range of new and used Triumphs. It also offers a range of other used bikes as well, so it's worth checking them out. So without further ado, let's check out what we came for, the new 400 range, the Speed and the Scrambler. It's fair to say that both bikes offer a real sense of quality, even on these prototype versions. There are currently two bikes in the range, the Speed and the Scrambler. Both these bikes utilise the brand new 400cc single cylinder engine from Triumph, and both put out about 40 brake horsepower at 8,000 RPM and around 30 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. For a 400cc, the Scrambler fits me really well. It's actually quite a tall bike and doesn't feel like a 400cc. It feels more like a 650 or something like that. The pegs are all in the right place for my lanky legs, and the gear levers are easy to get to along with the brakes, and also it doesn't feel too spongy, which was actually really nice. The bars are slightly raised on the Scrambler and also have a lovely brace with some excellent handguards as well. Slightly higher and wider than on the Speed. The Speed is slightly lower in stance, although still fits me really well. I think even on a longer journey I would feel pretty comfortable on these bikes, even with my 6'6" frame. The switchgear on both of these bikes feels really good. Overall, like I said before, the quality and finish of these bikes is better than I would have expected for bikes in this price range. I really like the simplistic design of the clocks, not too cluttered, and everything you need is right there in front of you. Overall, it's a brilliant place to sit. The Scrambler 400X is expected to retail for $5,595 on the road and will be available January 2024. The Speed 400 will be available at $4,995 and also be available in January 2024 as well. Both bikes have ABS as standard front and rear and 43mm upside down forks. The Scrambler has slightly more travel to suit its off-road bias design. Overall, two fantastic looking little bikes and great value for money. What would be your favourite? Would you go for the Scrambler or the Speed? Let me know in your comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time on Tom's TC.